Hi, this is Dr. Jenny Mitchell, and this video accompanies Chapter 2, Trends and Analysis. First off, I want you to just kind of look at this modified uh, infographic from IBM, where we see that we're going to be dealing with 4 different analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. And you'll see that the questions that go with it: what happened, why did it happen, what will happen, and what should be done about it. Now you'll notice that regression analysis is in the predictive area, and we're going to be talking about that, but we're also going to do some descriptive analytics so that you see how you would do that. Before you do anything though, if you don't have this data analysis box that I have here, then that means you need to add it. So to add it, you go to File, you're going to go to Options, you're going to look at add-ins, you're going to make sure it says Excel add-ins and click Go. You won't get that message. I have it because I already have it listed here. I'm going to hit Cancel. The analysis tool pack's what you need. I just selected them all. And so once you have that, you should have this data analysis. So let's try working with this data. I've already done it here, but we're going to redo it so you can see how we work through it. This is the data that we're interested in. We don't want the total. I don't even care about having the year revenue and wins as labels. But if I go over here and do data analysis, you'll notice I have some categories here. I'm going to choose descriptive statistics, and then I click OK. And so I don't have labels in the first row. These are columns. Summary, I can ask for everything here. I can check for it. And then I'm going to change my output range because we've already got the output on there. I'm going to change it over here, so I'm just running it again. And so then I just say OK. And what you'll see then is you'll see that you have data listed over here, and you may not know what those mean. And now if I'd put the labels in here, it might have been a little better because then it would show revenue and wins. But I think you get the idea. So basically what this is doing, it's giving us the information on on what we've just ran. It's going to show us the mean, it's going to show us the median, the mode, the standard deviation, whether you're talking about revenue or wins. Oh, and this one I must have included the revenue and wins in the label. And then you'll see it talks about the kurtosis and the skewness and so on. And those are important things to understand what they mean. These are described in the textbook for you. Standard working with descriptive statistics and standard deviation may be something you don't do every day, but essentially if you can print it out here in Excel, then you can, there's lots of ways to find information that will help you understand it, but also I've got some of that in the textbook to help you with it. So here, this was descriptive statistics. So we're going to stop with that one for descriptive statistics and use the same data set to do regression. Talk to you soon.